Okay, in this lesson I want to talk about scene graph, the place that all of the objects and the tool that we create or import or insert in the software, they appear here and we can manage them. These are containers. You can click in this arrow to close the container, and this is the whole scene graph. And you can open it to see all of the objects that imported in scene. I want to talk about in a right click option that appear here. The first one is new container. If you create a new container, this is empty folder that you simply click and drag anywhere in a scene graph, and you can, with a shift key like a Windows, you can control click and drag and put in this container. As you can see, you can manage these objects in a container, and simply right click or click in three dot and simply rename that anything that you want. Name it anything that you want. As you can see, when another option is set active container. The default active container of the twinmotion is scene graph. It means when you click and drag and import an object to the scene, it's directly import to the scene in a scene graph here at the bottom of the object. If you want to, for example, I click in here, new container. I think the auto saving is on. Okay, I click and drag this container above, and I set this container as active container. Okay, if I click and drag and insert an object, it import in this container. As you can see, insert another object. As you can see, it insert in this container. So you can change the active container or set back the active container to the scene graph. And as you can see, if you are importing an object, it import at the main container of the software that it's in the default. Okay, another right click is cut, copy, and brick. These are very simple. In a brick instance, for example, I click here and hold the shift and drag and can make it instance in any number that I want. As you can see, this is the chair and these are the instance. You can right click and brick instance simply. I explained the instance and the all kinds of copy in the previous lesson. Please refer to them. You can rename, you can delete, or you can isolate this object. And you can zoom to selected. The important shortcut is F to focus on this object. And another right click is add to user library. I explained that. And the replace object. Replace object is very interesting. Okay, I'm sorry, going here. Simply with holding control, you can click any object that here, and you want to replace them with another, for example, chair or any object that you want. Select them, right click, and click replace object, and you can replace any object that you want. And for example, I want to replace them with this. Click and drag here. You can change the transform. I change transform on to place it exactly at this place and start replace. As you can see, the object will be replaced with a chair. Okay, this is replace object. Add to library, collapse hierarchy. It's mean like that. This is collapse hierarchy. And you can sort by category. These are the categories. These are the categories. Sort by this category. Material, light, character. As you can see, these are category: object, furniture, vehicle, container, light. These are category. For example, if you want to see just the light, click in here and click a light. You can see just lights. It's very important you use full for your project. You can, for example, see just vegetation here in a scene graph. And when you want to see all, click the all. And you can sort by alphabet. Okay. This is the scene graph, and that's it. In here, in this icon, you can simply hide it from the scene, as you can see. Very easy. Okay, that's all about scene graph. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.